Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing. Confirm your current Apple ID credentials and make sure a trusted device can receive verification codes. Once done, back up your Mac with Time Machine or ensure iCloud Drive data is synced, because signing out can remove local copies of some items. Now open System Settings, click your name at top, and choose Sign Out. Do this first to detach services. It prevents data collisions when you add a different Apple ID later. Once your Mac restarts, go back to System Settings and select Sign In. You will enter the new Apple ID email and password. When prompted, complete two-factor authentication using your trusted device or phone number. Make sure to read each iCloud sync option. Choose whether to merge or replace local data for contacts, calendars, and photos, because that determines which copies remain on this Mac. Also sign into the App Store and Messages separately if prompted. You finish by confirming purchases, subscriptions, and family sharing under your Apple ID pane so services follow the correct account. Make sure iCloud Keychain is enabled if you want passwords synced. Review the device list and remove any that should no longer be associated. If something goes wrong, like verification codes not arriving, check Apple's system status, restart your router, and consider resetting the Apple ID password from another device. That troubleshooting step usually resolves authentication issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.